a verbal sparring between former Chinese senior Air Force Colonel Zhao Bo and Philippine Coast Guard Commodore J. Tariela took place during a conference on the South China Sea in Vietnam last week. Zhao Bo said that the Tariela was portraying China as the devil in the region, while the Philippines almost looks like an angel. In his post on X, the Philippine Coast Guard spokesperson said, "These barbarians chose to disregard the established rules-based order and instead aim to reshape the current system through intimidation and aggression. What for you does abiding in the international rules-based order stand for, Mayor?"
Alam mo, it's a matter of from where you look at it. Kasi ang boundary ang pinag-usapan eh. Kasi nga dito sa Pilipinas, nagpapatayan. Buskit dyan sa squatters area. Yung boundary. Or even sa mga lupa natin, yung,
Yes, Mayor.
even how accurate yung teleskopyo ng mga geodetic engineering. There would still be trouble. So, itong atin, it's a question of territory. Pero tubig yan, but still territory. Sabi nga nila na, sinabi ko raw na tubig lang naman pag-awayan, tama. Kasi ang ilalim ng tubig are resources. But actually what I'm saying is, bakit tayo makapagpatayan dyan sa tubig lang? In short, hanggang usap lang tayo. We cannot go beyond words. Period. If we go to arms, wala tayo. Hanggang words lang tayo. So, hindi ako I'm not trying to justify or defend China. As a matter of fact, I am, well, at least I do not like what they do if they drive away this small fishermen there. Sa awa ng Diyos, hindi naman na ginagawa yan ngayon. To the credit of China, total ilan naman makuha ng isda rin dyan ng mga fishermen natin. Nobody would go there yung big time na fishing, Yun lang naman. So, they tolerate it hanggang ngayon. Mayat merong kunting nuances. Hindi naman away. But we can always talk things over. Sometimes if it becomes a big issue, then I talk to my friend, Mr. Xi Jinping, the leader of China. Kasi nakaibigan ko talaga. And I value his friendship and his word. Hanggang usapan lang tayo dito. Wala kaming balak na makipag-away sa inyo. At yun kaya nga nung I went there for a private visit earlier yung taon na to. Pagdating ko sa airport, there was this urgent message that Mr. Xi Jinping, even hindi na ako presidente, was inviting me for an audience with him. Nag-usap kami 1 hour 40 minutes. Wala kaming pinag-usapan about itong South China Sea. Kung ano lang ang maganda sa buhay, kumusta siya, ganon. Parang kaibigan lang. Hindi naman rin ako opisyal ng gobyerno. I have no business dwelling on matters which are already not mine because I'm no longer anybody So, usap lang kami. But kung usap lang, kailangan kausapin si Mr. Xi Jinping or whatever, it might be a serious one or not, that we can talk things over. Not necessarily go into a confrontational stance. Mas malapit ako sa China, sa leader ng China mismo. I consider him a very good friend, very humble man, very considerate, than sa itong, wala naman akong, I have nothing against the Americans. Wala ako, pero wala akong connect doon sa kanila. Dito, pwede akong makiusap. Yung China Sea na wag na lang girahin kasi wala naman talaga kaming ikabuga. Usap na lang. And little accommodation here and there. Huwag na lang natin na sabihin mo, maghingi tayo, this is ours. Kakalimutan mo na yan. Basta pasok-pasok lang yan. Paisda-isda lang. Kung tilapia lang ang makuha mo dyan sa South China Sea, okay na. Fresh water man yan, dalhin mo, magdalak ng doon. At this time of my life, tanda na ako. Confrontational thing is bad. Noong bata pa ako siguro. Even when I was mayor. Pero as I papunta na ako ng heaven, medyo kalmado na ako. And sometimes I could give you a wise advice. Medyo nakumpleto ko na yung cranial equation ko. And I could give you a good advice of what to do. Dito sa atin, kaya mo muna yan dyan. Wala namang gumagalaw. Ang China, wala namang barko dyan. Walang warship sila dyan. Hayaan na lang natin. Sometimes we stray, and if we are, kung maabutan nila ng patrol, but hanggang wala akong nakita. I have not seen, maybe before, but I do not remember a gray ship. Gray ship is a war. Barko na panggira. Gray ship ang tawag niya. Diyan sa South China Sea patrolling. So, nagpapasalamat ako sa, well, of course, kay Mr. Xi Jinping, pati sa Chinese people and government for being considerate. For after all, my friends, marami kaming Chinese dito sa Pilipinas. Maraming ancestry namin Chinese. But that's been telling them, baka hindi niyo alam. And I will not elaborate, baka sabihin papalaki ako ng ulo sa karamihan naman tayo halos Ang kabarkada ni Lapu-Lapu noon in Czech.
Si Limahong.
Ang Chinese mo na bulong kay Lapu-Lapu na tadtarin mo yung putang yun. Yung Spaniard na yan. Nag-intriga yung mga matagal na ang Chinese dito. Panahon pa nila Lapu-Lapu nga. Halos karamihan ng Pilipino may Chinese ancestry.